game press conference. We are joined by the best player of the game, Jason Castro, and winning head coach, Chot Reyes. Coach, your last meeting with Converge, 16 points at the half yung lamang ninyo, and today 19 points at the half yung lamang ninyo. But Converge was able to cut that lead into 2 points. How was the team able to remain composed and make sure that the outcome is different today and you are able to get that win?
The header in our board was one word: learn. And we said that this game for us was an opportunity to learn from what happened in the last game that we played Converge. And that's exactly what we talked about at halftime. We said we've been here before. This was the exact same situation we were in the last game. Up 16, up big at the half. And we allowed Converge to stick around and win the game in the end. And so we talked about how well we had to defend in the second half, but give it to them. They made some good adjustments in the second half, particularly in the third quarter, and like we expected, they got back in the ball game. They have a very good team over there, very well coached. So when they made the run, all we were talking about in the huddle was, we expected this. We said, okay, here we are again. This is exactly, we've been here before. We expected this. And we just had to make sure that we could execute when we needed to execute. And Jason made some great decisions down the stretch for us.
Thank you so much, Coach. Jason, as a veteran sa team ninyo, gano'n kalaki yung responsibilidad na sa'yo in making those crucial plays, yung 3-point crucial shot mo na yun, and nung last few moments ng fourth quarter, you really led your team?
Siyempre sa veteran din niya, yung trust ng mga teammate ko sa akin, and then especially coach na ibigay sa akin yung play na yun. So sobrang kailangan kong gumawa ng paraan para makapag-execute kami. At the same time yun nga yung isang way na lang para matest yung character ng team kasi we're up by 16 and then second half nakapod sila, so magandang test para sa amin to para pagdating ng playoffs dadalhin namin to.
The floor is now open if the media has any questions.
Uwi na tayo, gabi na.
Coach, yung next game nyo will be against Meralco, a team that papalitan kayo, Abla, Solo, even what can you say about that game, considering that you beat them by a huge margin? Do you expect that the same thing for that game, second round game?
Well, it's going to be the exact reverse of this game, where we wanted to learn from our mistake from the last game we played Converge. For Meralco, we have to understand that it's not going to be the same. We can't expect it to be the same type of ball game. We know that it's going to be much harder, and so we need to be prepared. We haven't thought about Meralco yet because all of our energy was focused on Converge, but now, starting right now, we're going to be thinking about that for sure. But we knew from the start Meralco is going to be the team to beat because they have, first of all, they're the all Filipino champions with very good quality import. So we know how tough that the team is going to be. So now we have to rest, recover, and prepare really well for a very tough match against Meralco.
Jason, madami ng bata sa team, but in that situation, sa'yo pa rin din pinigay yung bola para sa pinching victory na tira nyo. Anong pakiramdam na yung tiwala pa rin na dun sa'yo kahit madami ng bata sa team?
Siguro, yun nga, sobrang thankful ako sa coaching staff at saka sa mga teammate ko. Despite na yung free throw ko sobrang sama this game, nandun pa rin yung confidence nila sa akin. And then, Yun nga, ready naman ako every time na may mga crucial possession na mga so and sobrang thankful ako kay Coach Shot na
Coach, Coach, talk about lang po kay Ray ng bata. He was integral in the first half. Doon kayo ng push. Let's talk about the impact niya for the club in the
Yeah.
first 6 games.
For the club as a whole, great impact. And the reason Jason is able to play these quality minutes is because of the minutes that Ray is playing, allowing him to get a lot fresh and be well rested every time he's on the floor. So it depends on the situation and how the energy and the flow of the game is going. There are times in the past it was Ray there and not Jason. And now it was Jason and not Ray. And the good thing with both of them is there's no problem. Tama ba ako, Jason? It doesn't matter. It literally isn't something where you even have to talk to them about it. They completely understand and they will accept it. And that's just a luxury for me as a coach. Sometimes we have both of them on the floor together. So it just depends on how the game is going. I think my job is to make sure I have the best possible 5 on the floor with regards to what the situation requires. And I always tell the players, pinoproblema ko yung kailangan nasa loob ng court at yung depensa, kailangan sila, hindi ko na sila problema. So those things like that, hindi ko na po yung problema. So very fortunate for me.
Coach, just to touch up on the campaign thus far, the last time yata na nag-won na ganito kayo, maganda tinatakbo, first conference mo back, and you won the championship. Meron na bang talks within the locker room? How good you are?
Nalimutan ko na. That's way in ancient history na sa amin in the last time. For me, well, the entire approach for this conference has really been to rededicate ourselves to playing defense and start from a blank slate. Really, like that's why I said from the start we were a work in progress, right? So we continue to continue to strive to get better. And our next game, Meralco, is going to be a great test.
There you go.
That concludes the post-game press conference. Once again,
Thank you.
congratulations to TNT.
Oh, and then biglang